Hello friends, today we are going to study the chapter article. There are two types of article. First is the definite article, second is the indefinite article. Definite means निश्चित and indefinite means अनिश्चित. तो definite वैसे articles, definite articles are the and indefinite articles are a and an. तो here we will see in worksheet 1 I met a boy. तो मैं एक लड़के से मिला. तो अब लड़का निश्चित नहीं है, सो वी हैव यूज्ड हियर ए. आई मेट ए बॉय. नाउ अब उस लड़के से जब मैं मिल लिया तो वो लड़का अब निश्चित हो गया, तो द विल बी यूज्ड. आई मेट ए बॉय, द बॉय वॉज क्राइंग. आई वॉकड अप टू हिम and asked him the reason. He told me that the moon was not bright and the weather was not too fine. He had sat by the Kaveri for hours but had not been able to find a single person to help him reach the fort on the top of the hill. He had to reach there as he had to meet the magician. Always remember that a, an, and the are articles. Articles are used before nouns like a boy, the moon, a person, or the magician. Let us do worksheet 2. My father is an honest man. And you see, honest, sound, honest, then an honest man. He is very rich, still he drives an old car. O sound, old car. There is a lake in the park near my house. Would you like a cold drink? का sound, consonant sound के साथ हम लोग a लगाएंगे. It was an hour long ordeal. Hour long ordeal. An लगेगा. I am reading an excellent book. It is about a scientist. So sound, a will be used here. Who needs an umbrella? Umbrella. Sound, an will be used here. It is a delight to get wet. Question number 8. A one-eyed. Wa is not a vowel. Wa is consonant. So a will be used. A one-eyed man is not eligible to get a driving license. Of all the shopping you have done, I see only this book as dash useful thing. Up an will be used or a will be used. Useful. You sound is also a consonant sound, so a will be used. So I see only this book as a useful thing. Dan is a European settled in India. You sound is also a consonant sound. Now you can see there a lake, a boy, a European, a one-eyed man, and an egg, an umbrella, an honest man. A is used before a word beginning with a consonant sound, and an is used before a word beginning with a vowel sound. Now I hope you are able to do worksheet 3. Let us do. There was an emergency, so we had to rush. He got his higher education at a university in the USA. Hina thought it would be a good idea to join a union. We are looking for an accommodation. Give these children an inch, e sound, an inch, and they will take ya is not a vowel, so a will be used. Take a yard, said Mr. Poller. 6. will you buy for me a loaf of bread on your way back? He mustered dash courage and climbed up the stage. Now here you see that courage is not a noun, it's adjective. So here what will be used? No article. The boy gave me a 1 rupees coin. A man of here also article will not be used. A man of wisdom lives in the fort 2 kilometers from here. Here the a also can be used, the also can be used, I think. Where did you use this sign? Articles are not used before uncountable nouns unless we are talking of particular ones. So you can see courage is uncountable noun, wisdom is uncountable noun, so we did not use article there. So in next chapter we will do worksheet 4. Thank you.